Get acquainted with the 2021 Audi A5. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The A5 Sportback delivers a distinguished athletic driving experience that's technology-rich and passenger-friendly. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: power liftgate, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Safe and comfortable can also be exhilarating. See how in the A5 Sportback.